Hello, girls. Good evening. Ani, ahorita te confundiste. Estaba en otra clase y te vi y dije yo, ay, no, aquí no es todavía. Pero ya, we are in our class. Okay, so good evening, everyone. We're gonna start with the class today. I would like to wait 1 more minute to see if we have more people. Me gustaría esperar un minuto más para ver si se nos integran los demás. Pero aquí voy a estar, ¿ok? Solo un minuto vamos a empezar. Empezamos en un minuto. Okay, we're not four. I think it's enough. Let's start with the class. Good evening again. And I think that I already know each one of you. A ustedes sí las conozco, las tres. Entonces no me siento tan perdida. Okay, so we're gonna continue with the same topic as yesterday, which is the articles. Si por alguna razón ya vieron estos temas, bueno, nada más como para confirmar, porque igual no quisiera como que fuera tan repetitivo. ¿Ya vieron lo que estoy compartiendo en pantalla? ¿Ya lo trabajaron?
Teacher, yo no entré a las clases de la semana pasada, así que no sé qué habrán visto.
Okay.
Y no, creo que no subieron los videos porque no me aparecieron en el grupo.
Okay.
Yo
Ajá,
tampoco, teacher.
no, Perla,
Yes, teacher.
¿ya lo vieron esto?
Sí, ya lo vimos. Creo que solamente vimos 2 imágenes y fue todo, nos saltamos.
Okay, bueno, vamos a verlas igual así rapidito porque aquí ya van ganando las que no lo vieron, entonces para repasarlo, ¿no? Y igual, referente a la clase de ayer, como les comenté que no estaba en mi computadora, por lo mismo estaba teniendo problemas. Sí la grabé, la tengo grabada, pero no está en mi computadora, entonces va a tardar yo creo un poquito para podérselas pasar, ¿ok? Igual sé que estuvo medio atropellado ahí el audio y de que el internet y así, pero igual espero y no afecte tanto en caso de que la quisieran revisar. Bueno, igual, it says in here, this lesson is intended to be used as a review of the prepositions of place in grammar articles 1, que son los articles lo que estuvimos viendo, que es de a, and that. Vamos a ver esta imagen. Here we have a cat, then we have a dog, then we have a girl, then we have a restroom. Okay. And, well, the intro says, presented with 8 photos which his or her partner cannot see. For each picture, students practice asking a given description. For example, let's say, here we have an image, and it says, there's a man. Remember when we're talking about something the first time, cuando hablamos sobre algo, perdón, por primera vez, si no es como que algo que es único, usamos un article como a or an. Repito, si es algo único a lo que tú ya vas a entender, puedes usar the porque la persona ya sabe a qué te refieres. Por ejemplo, si yo estoy en una habitación, decoré la puerta, supongamos, ¿no? A pesar de que apenas te lo voy a mencionar por primera vez, solamente hay una puerta en la habitación. Entonces, si yo te digo, look at the door, lo apropiado sería usar the, porque solo hay una. Entonces, si yo te digo, look at the door, pues tú ya entiendes mi referencia, ¿no? Tú sabes que te hablo de la puerta y puedes voltear la puerta. Y ya igual, si hablo sobre algo en general, por ejemplo, oh, there's a man. Where's the man? ¿Dónde está el hombre? Where's the man? Oh, he's in a car. Okay, what car? Well, the car, the blue car, for example, to be more specific. Oh, there's a man. Where's the man? Oh, he's in a car. What car? Oh, in the blue car. So you can look and search for the blue car. Okay, let's go and practice then with the rest of the images we have here. So here we have a cat. A cat, because it's just a cat. Where is the cat? Answer me, please. Where is the cat?
No es correcto, ¿verdad? ¿O sí?
Sí se puede usar he. ¿Cuándo se puede usar he or she con animales? Cuando tú ya sabes si es él o ella. Cuando es como que random, que tú no sabes, pues es it.
He's in the sofa.
He's on the sofa.
On.
On the sofa, right? ¿Y por qué uso the? ¿Por qué no uso he's on a sofa? Porque on a sofa, pues significa que está en un sillón. Si digo on the sofa, pues estoy siendo específica que está en el sillón, right? Perfect. Okay, now what do we have in this picture? What is this?
A dog.
It's a dog. Very good. A dog. Where is the dog, or what is the dog doing?
He is watching the window.
The window. Very good. The window, because you already know what window I'm talking about, right? So the window. Okay, what do we have in this image?
A girl.
A girl, very good. What is the girl doing?
She's in the
She's
computer.
in
The computer, very good. Next, what room is this? What room is this?
Bathroom.
Uh-huh.
The bathroom.
It's the bathroom, right? Very good. The bathroom. And what is this?
A toilet.
A toilet. Very good. Look at this image. What is this?
A picture.
It's a picture. Very good. Where is the picture?
On a wall.
On the wall. Very on a wall or on a wall. And where is, I mean, what is this room?
Sorry, teacher.
What is this room? Where is this room?
Is the living room.
The living room. Very good. Next image. Here we have, what do we have here? What is she?
A woman.
A woman, very good. And what is she doing?
She is reading
What is she reading?
a book.
A book. Very good. A book. Last image. Here we have, what is this?
A bird.
A bird. And where is the bird?
Flying.
Flying
Where?
in the sky.
The sky, very good, muy bien. Entonces, aquí, por ejemplo, en este caso, the sky, pues uso the porque nada más hay un cielo, right? The sky. Very good. Vamos a pararle aquí. Tengo más imágenes, pero creo que esto es suficiente para avanzar un poquito de lo que ya vieron ustedes la semana pasada. Okay, next it says, where's Charlie? This lesson is intended to be used as a review of grammar articles 1. So let's listen what it says in here. Okay, it says open exercise number 1 to begin the activity. Follow the instructions in this document, then go to exercise 2. Este ejercicio te lo comparto, Ani. Y ustedes, María y Perla, ustedes ya lo tienen, ¿verdad? En sus documentos.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Ok, perfect. Entonces abrimos el ejercicio 1, please. Open exercise 1. And it says, you are going to listen to 3 conversations. As you listen, answer the questions below. Entonces vamos a escucharlo una vez. And then we're going to listen to it again just to check the answers, okay?
Okay.
Where's Charlie?
He's in the living room.
What's he doing?
I think he's watching a movie.
Who's he with?
He's with a friend.
Who's the friend?
Joe, do you have any more questions?
No, that's all. Thanks.
Okay. Conversation 1.
Where's Charlie?
He's in the living room.
What's he doing?
I think he's watching a movie.
Who's he with?
He's with a friend.
Who's the friend?
Joe, do you have any more questions?
No, that's all. Thanks.
Okay, so who is Joe?
Is in a living room.
But who? Who is quién? Who is Joe?
I don't know, teacher.
Okay, it's very short, so we can listen again. Just pay attention, okay? All right, what's going on?
Where's Charlie?
He's in the living room.
What's he doing?
I think he's watching a movie.
Who's he with?
He's with a friend.
Who's the friend?
Joe, do you have any more questions?
No.
Okay, who is Joe?
He's a friend.
Okay, Joe is a friend of who?
Charlie.
Charlie, very good. Hmm? Okay, next. Where are Joe and Charlie? Where are they? Do you remember?
They are in a living room.
They are in the living room. Now let's go to the conversation 2. The questions are, where is the fruit in the fridge? The second question is, which kind of fruits does Chris want for breakfast tomorrow? These are the questions. Now we're gonna listen and try to get the answers to these questions, okay?
Do you have anything to eat, Chris? There's some fruit in the kitchen. Where in the kitchen? Look in the fridge. I don't see any fruit. Check behind the eggs. Okay, there's an apple and a banana. Please don't eat the apple. I want it for breakfast tomorrow. Have the banana. Sure. Thanks.
Okay, so where is the fruit in the fridge?
Apple and banana.
Where? For us.
In the kitchen.
Well, yes, but it says it here specifically in the fridge. So what part of the fridge?
Creo que decía abajo de los huevos.
In English?
Ay,
Let's listen again.
Do you have anything to eat, Chris? There's some fruit in the kitchen. Where in the kitchen? Look in the fridge. I don't see any fruit. Check behind the eggs. Okay, there's an apple and a banana. Please don't eat the apple. I want it for breakfast tomorrow. Have the banana. Sure. Thanks.
Okay, so where is the fruit in the fridge?
Behind the X,
Behind the X. Very good. Behind the X. Which kind of fruit does Chris want for breakfast tomorrow? So what does Chris want to eat tomorrow for breakfast?
Apple.
Apple.
Just apple. I write it like this, apple. How many?
apple and banana.
But he just wants one. An apple. An apple. Okay? Conversation 3. The questions are, here we have 3 questions. What kind of class are they talking about? Does Geoff have a lot of homework in the class? When is Geoff's test? Okay, we're gonna listen.
How's it going, Jeff? Okay. How are you? I'm good. How's your math class? It's really difficult. Really? Who's the teacher? Mr. Murphy. Oh, yeah, I know him. He's really nice. Yes, he is. Is there much homework? Yes, there is. We have a test next week. Actually, I'm pretty good at math. Do you need any help studying for the test? Yes, please. Okay, let's meet at the school library tomorrow. Wow, okay. Thanks, Jeff. No problem.
Okay, so what kind of class are they talking about?
Math,
Math class. Okay. Does Geoff have a lot of homework in the class? Do you remember?
yes.
So the answer is yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, he does. When is Geoff's test?
Next week.
Next week. Very good. Okay, finish the first exercise. Now let's go to the second one. I'll share it with you, Annie. It's already shared. Now it says in here, work with the partner, complete the conversations with a, and, or the. When finished, listen to check your answers. Okay. I'll give you a chance for you to do it by your own. Les voy a dar tiempo de que respondan la primera, vamos a hacerlo por partes, la primera conversación a como ustedes piensen. Después vamos a confirmar las respuestas con el listening, ¿ok? Entonces, primero, por favor, ustedes you choose the answers according to you, to what we saw yesterday, y luego vamos a confirmar las respuestas con el listening, ¿ok? Entonces, primera conversación, choose the answers. When you're done, tell me, and then we're going to listen to confirm your answers.
I think I finished, teacher.
Perfect, Maria, Petla.
Creo que también.
Okay, so before we listen, I want you to tell me your answers and then we're gonna confirm, okay? So where's Charlie? He is, where?
In the living room.
Okay, the living room. What's he doing? I think he's watching
A movie.
a movie, okay. Who's he with? He's with,
A friend.
okay, and who's,
A friend.
okay, who's a friend? Let's go and listen.
Where's Charlie?
He's in the living room.
What's he doing?
I think he's watching a movie.
Who's he with?
He's with a friend.
Who's the friend?
Joe, do you have any more questions?
No, that's all. Thanks.
Okay, so here, who's the friend? The rest of them, good job. Next conversation, again, please choose the answers. Then we're gonna check and listen to confirm.
Finish, teacher.
Okay, ayúdame, Perla. Do you have anything to eat, Chris? There's some fruit in
In the kitchen. The kitchen.
the kitchen. We're in the kitchen looking
A.
a fridge. I don't see
Fridge.
any fruit. Check behind.
And
An egg. Okay. Okay. There's
there's an
an
apple.
apple and
A.
a banana. Okay. Please don't eat
And
Please don't eat an apple. I want it for breakfast tomorrow. Have
banana.
okay. The rest of you girls, do you have different answers?
Yes.
Where, Annie?
There's some fruit in the kitchen. Look in the fridge. Check behind the eggs. Okay, there's an apple and a banana. Please don't eat the apple. Have a banana.
Okay. Maria, what about you? Do you have a like Annie or like Perla or like none of them? Perla? Okay.
Los tengo como están.
A ver, vamos a escuchar entonces. No los cambié, los dejé así, nada más quería ver sus respuestas. Vamos a checar con la conversación.
Do you have anything to eat, Chris? There's some fruit in the kitchen. Where in the kitchen? Look in the fridge. I don't see any fruit. Check behind the eggs. Okay, there's an apple and a banana. Please don't eat the apple. I want it for breakfast tomorrow. Have the banana. Sure, thanks.
Okay, so we will have to make some corrections. Vamos a hacer correcciones. There's some fruit in the kitchen, look in the fridge. Entonces aquí sí es the fridge. I don't see any fruit, check behind the eggs. ¿Por qué aquí está usando that? Para empezar no puedo usar and con eggs porque está en plural. Entonces si está en plural, ya de entrada pues no puedo usar ni a ni and. Y aquí donde dice look in the fridge es the fridge porque está siendo específica de que solo hay uno, pues entonces look in the fridge. Okay, okay, there's an apple and a banana, good. Please don't eat the apple porque ya la mencionó antes, entonces ella sabe a qué apple se refiere. Don't eat the apple, I want it for breakfast, have the banana, porque también ya sabe a qué banana se refiere. ¿Ok? Conversation 3. how's it going job? Okay, how are you? I'm good, etc. Ok, les pido igual que traten de llenar. Aquí son menos, creo, las respuestas. So read it, fill in with your answers, and then we're gonna listen to check, okay?
I finished, teacher.
Okay, good. So, Helmiani, how's it going, y'all? Okay, how are you? I'm good. How's your math class? It's really difficult. Really? Who's
The teacher.
the teacher? Very good. Well, we're gonna listen later. Yes, there is. We have.
We have the text next week.
Okay.
Done.
Actually, I'm pretty good at math. Do you need any help studying for?
The test.
Okay. Yes, please. Okay, let's meet at
The school.
library at this time tomorrow. Okay, does anybody have different answers, girls and guys? Oh, okay, Martin, I didn't see you before, so do you have different answers or do you have the same?
En la primera no sería who is a teacher.
Who's a teacher? Ahorita vamos a escuchar, nada más quiero ver si tienen diferentes, o sea, para ahorita ya que escuchemos, revisar. ¿Solo esa tienen diferente?
Sí.
Ok, vamos a escuchar entonces. We're gonna listen.
How's it going, Jeff? Okay. How are you? I'm good. How's your math class? It's really difficult. Really? Who's the teacher? Mr. Murphy. Oh, yeah, I know him. He's really nice. Yes, he is. Is there much homework? Yes, there is. We have a test next week. Actually, I'm pretty good at math. Do you need any help studying for the test? Yes, please. Okay, let's meet at the school library tomorrow. Wow, okay. Thanks, Jeff. No problem.
Okay, so we have to change one. One of the answers you gave me was incorrect. And it is, we have a test. Aquí empiezan a hablar del examen apenas, right? Yeah, there is, we have a test next week. Entonces, acá sí va, who's the teacher, porque probablemente están hablando de un contexto que él ya conoce. Por eso le dice, nos vemos a la school library, how's your math class, porque probablemente ya sabe quiénes son los maestros, o sea, ya tiene una referencia. Por eso, who's the teacher se refiere, porque pues ya sabe, repito, quiénes son los maestros, por así decirlo. Okay, so that was the listening part. Do you have any question about these exercises we just answered?
No, teacher.
Okay, good.
No.
Let's go then to the next part. And we're gonna make a pause with the articles. Vamos a hacer una pausa de los articles. And here it says Astoria, Oregon. This lesson is intended to be used as a reviews. No, never mind. This is not the part. It is, yeah, around town. No, this one. As a preview of grammar articles too. So it says, open the exercise 1 to begin the activity using the photos and sound recordings below. So here we're gonna complete the vocabulary we have here. We have some images with some recordings and we're gonna complete them. Este es el ejercicio, well, the 7-2 around town. Confírmenme, por favor, si ya lo tienen. And I'm about to share with you. So it's already shared. Y dicen este ejercicio, déjenme abrirlo, please. And it says, listen to the pronunciation of each place name to decide the missing letters and write the words. For example, what are the missing words in here? Vamos a escucharlas una por una. Vamos a hacerlo juntos, ¿ok? Escuchamos, vemos qué palabra es y así sucesivamente. For example, the first one.
Grocery store.
Grocery store. Ahorita vamos a ir a las imágenes para ver a qué se refiere con este vocabulary. Next one.
Salon.
So, what is the missing word, the missing letters? What is the word here?
Salón.
Salon. Huh? Very good. Next one is,
School.
so it is
School.
school. Good. Next one.
Gym.
What is the hidden word?
Gym.
Gym. Very good. Next one.
Soccer field.
It is
Soccer field.
soccer field. Soccer field. Next one.
Hotel.
What is it?
Hotel.
Hotel.
Very good. Next.
Post office.
This.
Post office.
Post office.
Post office. Very good. Next.
Mall.
It is
Mall.
mall. Very good. Next.
Drugstore.
Drugstore.
Store.
Drugstore. Very good. Next.
Bank.
It is
Bank.
bank. Very good. Next. Sorry, I didn't play it.
Restaurant.
Restaurant.
Restaurant. Very good. K.
Airport.
Airport.
Airport. Very good. Letter L.
Hospital.
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 Hospital. Good. And the last one.
Zoo.
Zoo.
The zoo. Zoo. Okay. So now let's go and check the words we have in here. Oh, let's go to the other, it's already shared also. So it says, unscramble the letters to write the names of the places. Now I have images. I don't have recordings, so I'm just gonna look at the image and try to find the missing word, okay? So gas station, stadium, what is this?
Station.
Train station.
Very good, train station. Letter B,
Zoo.
zoo, very good.
Zoo.
Letter C,
Bakery.
Bakery. Perfect. Bakery. D.
Gym.
Gym.
Good. Gym. Letter E.
Store.
Very good. Letter F.
Airport.
Airport. Perfect. Airport. Letter G.
Soccer field.
Soccer field.
Soccer field. Very good. Letter H.
Tennis court.
Tennis court. Letter I.
Hotel.
Hotel. Very good. J.
Grocery
Grocery
store.
store.
Very good. Grocery store. K.
Basketball court.
Basketball court. Very good. If you see, si se fijan, cada cancha, a pesar de que aquí, por ejemplo, en español decimos cancha y para todo es como que cancha o campo, en inglés, it depends on the sport. Basketball court, tennis court, soccer field is like field is like with the grass, or it's like with like the basketball or tennis. Letter L.
Library.
Library. Mhm. Letter M.
Fire department.
Fire department. Fire department. Letter N.
Movie theater.
Movie. Movie theater. O.
Salon.
Salon, right? It is salon. P.
Beach.
Beach, very good. Q.
Police station.
Police station. R.
Mall.
Mall, very good. S.
Bus
Bus
stop.
stop.
Bus stop, perfect. Letter T.
Post office.
Post office. Letter U.
Drugstore.
Drugstore. Letter V.
Church.
Church, very good. So these are just places, right? Name of places. Now it says, where do you usually see the following things? Choose one of the places from the list exercise above. Entonces, de acuerdo al vocabulario que acabamos de completar, looking at the image, well, we're gonna say, where do we see these things? For example, at a cafe or a coffee shop. Where do we see this? Look at the image. Where do we see this?
Drugstore.
Drugstore, very good. Hay otras palabras también para drugstore como pharmacy, but drugstore is that, right? A pharmacy. Letter B. Where do we see this?
Train station.
Train station.
Very good. Train station. Letter C.
Zoo.
Zoo, very good. Where do we?
Church.
Church, very good. Where do we see books?
Library.
Library, very good. Where do we see this? Look at the image.
Soccer field.
Soccer field.
Soccer field, good. Letter G.
Hotel.
Hotel, very good. What about this?
Basketball
Basketball
court.
court.
Basketball court. Letter I,
Gym.
gym, very good. Letter J, where do we see popcorn?
Movie theater.
Movie theater. Where do we see these stamps?
Post office.
Post office, good. Where do we see this?
Fire department.
Fire station.
Fire department. It's fire department. Where do we see this?
Park.
Park. Park. Very good. And that's it. Okay, let's go and check the words we have in here. Which is, well, the same. Zoo, hospital, airport, restaurant, bank, drugstore, hotel, post office, mall, soccer field, gym, cafe or coffee shop, school, salon, grocery store. Okay, do you have any question about the meaning of one of these words or the place of this vocabulary? I think it's easy, but well, I don't know if maybe you could have a question, do you?
No, teacher.
Okay, good. So now let's see what is next. Here we have Astoria, Oregon, the reading. So it says in here, this lesson is intended to be used as a review of use of English around town. I'm gonna open the exercise. It's here in the 7-1 Astoria, Oregon. I'll share it with the ones who have the license. And it's already shared. I didn't ask you, girls. Perla, tú eres la que estuviste aquí. ¿Ya vieron esta lectura?
No, teacher.
No? Okay, good. So what is the correct order of the sentences in each paragraph? Astoria is a small town in Oregon, USA. ¿Tienen este ejercicio, María y Perla?
Yes, teacher.
Okay.
Yes.
Entonces, paragraph 1. Este sería el párrafo 1. Sería elegir, bueno, vamos a leer aquí estas partes del párrafo y después lo vamos a ordenar. O sea, que iría primero, que iría después, something like that, right? Okay, so it says, near the beach, there's a big park. The next one says, my favorite place is the beach because it's so beautiful. There are a lot of different places to go. Children usually play there after school and on weekends. The park has a big soccer field. Entonces vamos a intentar conectarlos. What do you think goes first? ¿Qué creen que iría primero? We're talking about Astoria. Astoria is a small town in Oregon, USA. What do you think?
Letter B.
My favorite place is the beach because it's so beautiful. Okay. Eso dice. ¿Alguien más dice?
No. Letter C.
Letter C. Okay, there are a lot of different places to go. Do you agree or do you have any other option, guys? Okay, let's keep reading. There are a lot of different places to go. What do you think could go next?
Letter B.
Letter E.
Letter B. Okay, my favorite place is the beach because it's so beautiful. Then?
A.
A, near the beach, there's a big park. Okay, next.
Letter D
Y-
and
Very good. There is a big park. Mm,
I think is letter E, teacher.
the park has a big soccer field and children usually play there after school on weekends. Entonces, very good, by the way. Si se fijan, hay que buscar primero una oración que sea general. Después de esto, me voy a ir partiendo, o sea, la última palabra, por así decirlo, de la oración, the last word in the sentence will tell me what is going next. And like that, I'm going to connect it to find a relation. ¿Ok? Entonces, tengo aquí párrafo 1, paragraph 2, and paragraph 3. I'm going to give you a chance, guys, for you to match them by your own, like to connect the paragraphs, the sentences, and then we're gonna see and check if we all match them the same way. Okay? So let's do it by paragraph. Work with the paragraph 2. Once you're done, tell me. We'll check it, and then we go to the paragraph 3. Okay? Done? Are you done with the second paragraph?
Yeah, I think yes.
Okay, Maria Perla.
finish, teacher.
Okay, good. So what do you have as first?
There's also a mall.
Okay, there's also a mall. ¿Eso tienes tú también, María?
No, teacher, yo tengo on Cedar Street, there are a few shops and restaurants.
Okay, Perla, ¿tú qué tienes?
To teacher, on Cedar Street, there are few shops and restaurants.
Ok. Bueno, ahorita lo revisamos, nada más vamos a tener opción. Ok, bueno, what do you have in second?
There's also a mall.
Entonces, a ver, vamos a cambiarlo. Esto lo tienen en primero. And this is what you have in second. Okay, there's also a mall. What do you have in third?
Beside the mall, there's a bank and the movie theater.
Okay, so as fourth,
Sometimes I go to the movie theater with my friends at night.
Ajá. So it makes much sense like this. Ajá. Tiene sentido ponerlo de esta manera para que se conecte lo que se va diciendo al final. What we're saying at the end is connected to the other sentence, right? Okay, paragraph 3. I'll give you again some minutes for you to complete it, and then we're gonna check the answers, okay?
Finish, teacher.
Okay, so what do you have in first?
There are a few buildings, a soccer field, and basketball and tennis court.
Okay, Maria Perla, what do you have in number 1, please?
My school is on Birch Street.
Okay, Maria, what do you have in number 1? Ay, nos ha abandonado María. Ok, bueno. Vamos a ver si coincide con aquí. ¿Qué tienes en número 2, Ani?
No la tengo todavía, teacher.
Ok. Perla, what do you have in number 2?
There are a few buildings, a soccer field, and basketball and tennis court.
Ok, bueno, vamos a ponerlo. Ani, ¿tú ya terminaste o todavía no?
Todavía no, teacher.
Ok, vamos a seguirlo con Perla, and in case that it doesn't make sense, we're gonna check it again, okay? So, what do you have in number 3, Perla?
Next to the school are the Downs police station.
Uh-huh.
4
4, behind?
behind the fire department is the library.
And in number 5, will the last one, right? Can you read it, please?
Yes. I sometimes go there to read or study because it's really quick.
Very good. This is like this, it makes sense. So that's my town. It's a pretty good place to live. What's your town like? Okay, any question about this?
No.
No? Okay, I'll close it. And then I'll go to the articles too. Here we have articles 2. Antes de ir a este articles 2, como en realidad me falta ahorita en este momento, a ver, ya regresó. Sí, ya estamos los que estábamos. Ok, articles 2. Vamos a usar estos 10 minutos para iniciar con la explicación de articles 2 y luego ya continuamos con el ejercicio en la siguiente clase. So articles 2, what are you doing? I'm looking at the moon in the sky. So here I have the and that. Always use the with the following words. Entonces, whenever I'm gonna refer to these different situations or expressions or words, I'm gonna use the before them. For example, the same, the world, the sky, the sun, the moon, the ocean, the sea, the internet. Entonces, cuando utilice estas palabras, antes de estas palabras voy a colocar el article the. I live by the sea. The world is amazing. Why is the internet so slow? Luego tengo no article. Ay, wait, no se me olvidó. Here. Tengo el no article. Cuando no voy a usar article. Do not use the with breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Phil is eating lunch. Is dinner ready? Do not use the with watch TV or television. That is okay in other uses. Jim watches TV almost every evening. The television is in the living room. Entonces, si lo estoy usando, por ejemplo acá, que tengo como el verbo, Jim watches TV almost every weekend, está bien con la acción. Pero si estoy describiendo la televisión, entonces sí puedo usar that. The television is in the living room. Aquí el focus, o sea, the focus is on the television. Here the focus is on the action. Cuando el focus está en la acción, no voy a usar that con television. Cuando el focus aquí está en la televisión, pues voy a usar that. Okay, English has other expressions that never use that. For example, work is school. I start work in the morning every day. I never go to school on weekends. Right now, Chris is at work. Es muy común que nosotros queramos agregar the cuando hablamos de este tipo de lugares. Go to the school, go to the work, go to the yeah, like this. Go to the, well, finish or start work or school. Go to the school or go to the work. Entonces, en este contexto, in English, to speak it more natural, we have to skip or we have to avoid the use of that in this context. No hay que usarlo, ¿ok? Entonces, yo digo, I'm going to work, I'm going to school. Not going to the school or going to the work. At the end, you will say, okay, they understand me. Well, yes, but it's not that correct way to express it. Otherwise, here we also have church. Go to church, be at church. Do you go to church? He's always at church. Podemos usar the, por ejemplo, si se fijan en este contexto, estoy haciendo focus, por así decirlo, en la acción de I start work, I go to school. Cuando ya haga yo focus, permítanme. Cuando mi focus sea en el sustantivo, por ejemplo, oh, look at the church, look at the school, look at my office, por ejemplo. Puedo usar that porque simplemente te estoy haciendo referencia a esa cosa, right? A la escuela, a la iglesia, etc. Pero si estoy hablando de ir a estos lugares, entonces no voy a usar that. Go to church, go to school, go to work. Si estoy hablando de ver a esos lugares o que hay algo específico en esos lugares, y puedo usar that. Okay. Now, let's continue. Bed. Go to bed or be in bed. Don't be noisy. Jackie's in bed. Michelle usually goes to bed quite late. Pero puedo decir the bed is in my restroom or no, it's not restroom. It's my bedroom, sorry. My bed is in the restroom. O ahí estoy haciendo focus al sustantivo, no a la acción que se hace en ese lugar. Home. Go home, stay home, or be at home. Do you want to go home? I'm staying home. Okay, again. Tengo aquí el ejercicio, lo voy a compartir. Déjenme ver si está un poco largo. It's already shared. Me parece que ya lo respondieron.
Teacher.
¿No? Perla, ¿ya lo trabajaron?
No, teacher, según yo, no.
Ok, es que ya me parece compartido. Bueno, sí está un poquito largo. Vamos a hacer solamente la primera parte y les voy a dejar de tarea for homework for tomorrow to finish it, ¿ok? Y ya mañana iniciamos revisando las respuestas de este ejercicio. ¿Ok? Entonces, hacemos la primera parte y ustedes terminan el ejercicio de for homework. And tomorrow we check the answers, okay? So here we have TV, so I have TV twice. Same sky, dinner, internet, lunch, breakfast, ocean, work, moon, and sun. Some of these words need the, and some of these words don't need it at all. We have the same phone. I always eat in the morning before I come to school. What do I eat? What dish?
Breakfast.
Very good. I always eat breakfast, no article. Letter B. Jessie usually watches
TV.
TV. No article because I'm talking about the action of watching TV, right? Letter C. It's cloudy today. It's difficult to see
The sky.
the sky. Very good. Sky, it's always going to be with the. Letter D. I need to use
Internet.
I need to use internet. Just internet.
The internet.
Learn internet. Mhm. He flies to many different places in he flies to many different places
World. In the world.
in the world. Very good for his job. Next, do you want to have with me after work tonight?
Lunch.
Lunch after work. Is it lunch only? What about another option? After work, tonight. Tonight. So in the evening, what do we have in the evening?
Dinner.
Dinner. Do you want to have dinner? Letter D. I prefer to watch movies on in the living room because it's big.
TV.
On TV. Just on TV?
On the TV.
The TV in the living room. Ajá, porque está haciendo referencia a la TV del living room, right? In the TV in the living room. Birds are flying in
The sky.
the sky. So beautiful tonight. The moon, very good. The moon is so beautiful tonight. Vancouver, Canada is by look at the image. Vancouver is by means next to,
Ocean.
by the ocean. The students always eat together in the classroom.
Lunch.
Lunch. Very good. Entonces, aquí vamos a hacer la pausa. Please finish it for homework and tomorrow we're gonna check the answers, okay? Any question?
Teacher, ¿qué actividad era? Es que se trabó mi computador y no me dejó abrirlo.
Es la actividad de los articles. Déjame te digo qué número es. Articles 2. Articles 2.
Okay,
Okay.
thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, so then that's it for today. See you tomorrow. Okay, bye.
Bye, teacher.
Bye, teacher.